Stem EQ. Bro, I'm getting goosebumps, bro, you know.
Don't make him friends, we no get.
No. 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 No.
Don't make.
No. If this does not get your song mastered the right way, I don't know what else there is to use. And as an audio engineer watching this, you need to tighten up your ear game. If not, AI is coming for you. Let's get straight into it after the intro. Fire! Yes, this is to tell you that the Krizbeatz Music Academy is currently ongoing, and you can click the link below to join the Krizbeatz Music Academy. You can chat with the admin, as we will also be doing the Black Friday, giving discounts on our advanced course. So chat with the admin right now on WhatsApp to confirm how you can be a part of the class. And let's get back to the video. This is my first impression of Ozone 12. Ozone 12 came out maybe like 3-4 days ago. I don't know when you'll be watching this. Usually when the plugins come out, I try to see exactly what they are doing. If I don't have what it does already, then I try to get it. I try to use it, you know, not get it. I use like the trial version to see if I really like what they are offering. This is exactly what I'll be doing today, and I'll be doing it with you. So we will be mastering a song together with Ozone 12. Let's see what Ozone 12 has to offer as regards everything that they promised that Ozone 12 will be doing. So I will leave a link below for you to also get the trial version to see if you like it. So first thing first, with the new Ozone is the GUI. It looks really, 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 really sexy. I mean, I like, just for this alone, I will give it like a 10, you know, for the way it looks alone. So one of the most interesting thing that they've been doing now is you can get your song mastered in one click. Forgive me, I didn't read the manual, so we're figuring it out together. So let's first try the one click. Okay, play the loudest part of your mix.
I'm done making friends, we don't get money. I'm only on my phone for a business call. Don't pay.
This is not the loudest part anyways.
You feel only reach me if not money. Call. Done making friends, we don't get money. I'm only on my phone for a business call. Please don't call my line to come borrow money.
My G, our song is mastered.
I'm done making friends, we don't get money. I'm only on my phone for a business call. Don't pay no mind to no busybody. You feel only reach me if not money call. Done making friends, we don't get money. I'm only on my phone for a business call. Please don't call my line to come borrow money. If you only reach me if you want bring
my G.
What? Oh, so you can decide.
I'm done making friends, we don't get money. I'm only on my phone for a.
You can decide, want it bright or you want it.
I'm done making friends, we don't get money. I'm done making friends, we don't get money. I'm only on my phone for a business. I'm done making friends, we don't get money.
Oh, so the clarity adds like shelf to it.
I'm done.
Oh my god, so he even shows you everything that he added so you can customize to your own taste. So if this is a song that you just want to get things done quick, and you are setting it up to go, you know, this is good. But if not, you might really want to dial in things exactly the way you need it, you know. So he said play the loudest part of your song. I guess I did not play the loudest part of this song. So we can do, let's relearn. So let's try to get it again. So let's try to play it again. One click.
Don't making friends, we don't get money. I'm only on my call. Don't make.
Okay, so with this one now, it gave me another vibe, because I guess it feels like, okay, the song is now too loud. So
don't making friends, we don't get money. I'm only on my phone for a business call. Please don't call my line to come borrow money. If you only reach My G.
Bro, it sounds amazing for just one click and guessing what kind of song it is. The vocal is not too much, the instrumental is not covering anything, even the chorus. So let's see.
Don't making friends we no get money. I'm only on my phone for a business call.
Okay, so you can emphasize the tonal balance, which is the EQ is applying. Anything EQ, I guess. And then you can flatten it out based on what this is showing us. And you can choose the target. So if you want it to target a particular genre, the EQ curve is a bit different from what we got earlier. If you take note of how this is. After that, he added impact. I need to read about this impact. I really don't know what it does, but let me bypass
Don't
it.
making friends we no get money. I'm only on my phone for a business call. Please don't call my line to come borrow.
Oh.
Don't making friends we no get money. I'm only on my phone for a business call. Please don't call my line to come borrow money.
Oh, okay. It sounds like it's almost like a spectral suiting that side imaging. It feels like we needed to expand our highs, so he expanded the highs, but not in a noticeable side. He took from 10K upward, so increased the sides.
Don't make
Okay, I was expecting this guy because this guy has been my favorite thing to use in Ozone. I've been using this in Neutron. This works like crazy for me to get DSR, and I can also use it to add extra shine if the song needs it.
Don't making friends we no get money. I'm only on my phone for a business call. Please don't call my line.
Talon Jabba, you're my fun familiarity, feel it.
Don't making friends.
Okay, stabilizer is to balance out the movement of the song.
Don't making friends we no get money. Don't make
Ooh, bro, for AI to be able to do this,
Don't making friends we no get money. I'm only on my phone for don't make friends we no get money. I'm only on my phone for a business call. Please don't call my line to come borrow money. If you only
consequences.
Talon Jabba,
The only thing I might not really like is the pumping I'm getting from this maximizer. So I might want to turn this off to use my own, or maybe adjust
don't making friends.
it. So this is out of the box clicking to see what we get. You know, let's cancel this. It did pretty good. You know, but let's check out some of the things that, like I said, impact is my first time seeing. Let's see. They have dynamic EQ. Those are the things we had before. All of this we had before. They have bass control, clarity. This is new. Stabilizer is the stabilizer. I guess they just changed the name. They changed tonal balance name. Now it's called stabilizer, I guess. And now stem EQ. Stem EQ. Stem.
Don't making friends we no get money.
Stem EQ. Bro, I'm getting goosebumps, bro, you know.
Don't making friends we no get.
No. 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 No.
Don't make
No. No way. No way, bro. Bro, you can. Wait.
I'm only
Wait. Let me add this guy.
don't making friends we no get money. I'm only on my phone for a business.
Wait.
Don't making friends we no get money. I'm only on my phone for a business call. Please don't call my line to come borrow.
Bro, you can EQ without messing up the whole song. You can literally pick something and EQ that thing in mastering. You can solo it to hear exactly what you're doing. What?
Don't make him friends, we no get money.
Wait, let me come to
Don't make him friends, we no get money.
Are you seeing? I boosted just that
Don't make him friends, we no get
without affecting the whole song.
Don't make him friends, we no get money. I'm only on my phone for a business call. Please don't call my line to come borrow money. If you only reach
Wait, let me.
don't make him friends, we no get money. I'm only on my phone for a business.
Are you seeing this?
Don't make him
Nah, it's done, bro. For this reason alone, I'm definitely going to buy this. Nah, bro, I'm done. It's not even a review. For just this reason, I'm definitely going to buy this.
don't make him friends, we
And it doesn't change the quality in any way.
don't make him friends, we no get money. I'm only on my phone for
There's an EQ that does something similar to this, but that one is, I think it's called split EQ. You can EQ maybe a transient of a signal or the tonal. You can decide what you want to EQ. So, but this takes it to another level. Izotope, shout out to you guys for this. This is so brilliant. I think people are going really crazy these days when it comes to stem separation. You know, I was about to make a video for for Logic to say, oh, shout out to Logic for stem separation. Only for the same day I made that video, Ableton said they are releasing stem separation for Live 12.3. I'm like, what? I post the Logic on. I said, nah, bro, Logic, so sorry. You have to come second for this one because Ableton is doing the same thing. I'm sorry, I have to wait for my guy to do his, you know. And this this takes it to the next level. So who is this for? A professional, definitely someone who knows what they are doing. And also for someone who does not really know what they are doing, but they want to get their song to be good, you know. The only thing is the algorithm might not know how best you want your song to be. Let's do something, yeah?
don't make him friends, we no get money.
-9 is really good.
Don't make him friends, we no get money. I'm only
-9 is really good for this, you know. Let's try to load up the other one so that we can compare.
don't make him friends, we no get money. I'm only a man for business call. Don't pay no mind to no busy body. You feel only rich.
But it's almost similar to mine, you know.
Don't make him friends, we no get money. I'm only on my phone for a business call. Please don't call my line to come borrow money. If you only reach me, if you want me,
my G. You're my fun familiarity. Feel it. Make them no go flag you with the bankere.
So whenever you see this orange light, that is my own original master. And whenever you see the blue light, that is the Ozone master.
As you mark when you go to OG in a new Gen Z body. I dey move steadily, me I no get to worry. Everything where I touch in a testimony.
don't make him friends, we no get money.
Okay, so the Ozone on is a little bit shinier, you know, it has those high top ends, and KLP does not really like high top ends, and it's almost a little sizzling going on in there, but volume wise is almost the same. My own is -8, you know, and this is -9. It's still a lot, but it's okay, you know, it works. And compared to how close he was able to get it, nah, bro, I would definitely buy this for those quick, you know, to go. You finish a mix before you master it, you can just try this and send it to the clients first. When they now say, oh, they want this, they want that, they want this, at least you have a starting point, you know, and you might just send it to people, and you might just send it to them, and they will be like, oh yes, we like this, can we get the proper files for this one? I mean, do I recommend you buying this? I think you should try it for yourself. I think you should try it. Link to try it will be below here. You can go to Plugin Boutique to cop one of these and try it out for yourself, and you'll be amazed if you like it, you know. But you have opportunity to try it without buying it. then you can, commit to buying it if you want it. So yes, with that said, I'll catch you when there's another plugin that excites me to talk about. I will come back here and talk about it some more. Like, subscribe if you like any of the things we're doing here, and we also have loads of things that you can get on this channel. Grab any of the things that you see below that you think will work for you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Love.